I love decorative stitches and I love applique. On the Singer Promise 2 model 1512, we have both a built-in satin stitch for applique and a decorative stitch as well. So don't forget that that could actually be used as another way of adding a little decorative touch to a raw edge. So I've taken my fabric, I've added some stabilizer, which is just a tearaway stabilizer on the back, and I'm going to go ahead and stitch over the raw edge. Usually you can fuse this down, use some spray adhesive, some fabric glue, and that will make going around this edge very simple. There's also an open toe foot, which I would highly recommend for this machine, that you can purchase and then you can see where you're going. So the goal is to get the zigzag to be mostly on the applique fabric with just the little bit of the right side of the stitch to go off the raw edge. So again, a little practice or even a couple stitches taken by hand to see kind of where to guide the fabric. Now you can see why if you had a foot that was completely open in the front, that you can see where you're going. So you just pick the stitch and go. That's how easy this is. We don't have a lot of choices for stitch width, but it automatically shortens the stitch length down so you can go around any raw edge. And the nice thing is that you can actually make it so when you sew around it, that edge is not going to come up, especially once you start washing it. So it's not going to fray out. It's well secured. There are lots of places that will teach you how to go around curves and corners, but I just wanted to show you which stitch to use and how to guide it on your machine. Don't forget, stabilizer is key.